Now we have a patchwork of state laws that's unsustainable, and it's going to crush small business and medium-sized businesses, and it's going to harm American competitiveness. I met with a company who told me that they're going to be forced to pull out of certain states. It's one that you would all recognize because they simply cannot comply with the conflicting standards.
We have a historic opportunity to advance legislation that will end the patchwork and finally provide a federal standard to govern how Americans' personal information is collected, stored, retained, and transferred.
Now it's time for Congress to act at the national level.
We must move forward in an open, bipartisan manner that gives members on both sides of the aisle sufficient time to review changes to major legislation and offer thoughtful feedback and amendments.
I want to make sure that we get this process right, that we incorporate the lessons that we learned in California when approaching this topic, and that we also avoid some of the mistakes that were made there.
It's important that we give legislation of this significance and complexity time for review and feedback.
This is not a finished product yet, and we're going to keep working.
Lacking the necessary changes raised by me and others, I'm not yet sure that I can support this privacy legislation.
As this bill stands now, it really fails kids and teens and families. We have our work cut out for us.
I mean, this bill is already 174 pages, likely to get even longer. That is a lot of regulatory complexity for two people in a garage to deal with who are trying to start the next Google.